Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to the page you want to copy. This ensures the address bar contains the final, shareable URL. Once the page finishes loading, make sure you see the full web address. Sometimes sites redirect after load. If you're on mobile, open the Chrome app and tap the page to reveal the address bar. Doing this first prevents copying a temporary link or an incomplete address. You now tap or click the address bar so the full URL is selected. This is faster and avoids partial selections. On desktop, press Ctrl+C to copy, or right-click the highlighted address and choose Copy from the context menu. On mobile, tap the address, tap the copy icon, or open the Share menu and select Copy Link. These actions place the exact URL into your clipboard so you can paste it elsewhere without losing query parameters or anchors. Once copied, move to the app or document where you'll share the link and paste it using Ctrl+V, long press paste on mobile, or edit then paste. Make sure to test the pasted URL quickly. Click or tap it to confirm it opens the exact page and includes any important query strings. If the paste fails or the link is wrong, clear your clipboard, restart Chrome, and repeat the copy step. This fixes most transient clipboard glitches and ensures you share the right address.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.